Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast. I'm at Calala Island in Nicaragua. I was upgraded to the Master Suite, potentially due to Hilton Diamond status, maybe partially due to a guest vacating this suite and the others being full. See the very big king bed with a ceiling fan up above, netting if you wanted more seclusion, and optional curtains, lighting up above. See an outdoor hammock and a beach view. We'll get into that a little bit later. I am here on the beach as this is a private island with the beach right outside. Extra area for seating and a table. They gave me this wreath. They call it a Calala. Calala is a sort of passion fruit on the island. See lighting all on this side, plugs near the bed, nightstand down below, and extra lighting on both sides. The roof is very different compared to other hotel rooms. See rope up above, and we have shells hanging, forming what appears to be a curtain, and a desk in the middle. Thank you, with a sloth, as there are some sloths on the island. A map of the island, spa amenities, and activities that you can choose throughout the day. Snorkeling, paddleboarding, kayaking, island hopping, Pearl Lagoon Village tour, stargazing, fishing, cooking class, island picnic, rum tasting, and the hawksbill turtle. Although in March, the turtles I do not believe are available unless they just come, but they're not going to be hatching or laying eggs. Calala Island brand. Put your phone in the middle. Play music is what the GM said. Area for makeup, mirror, and bug repellent. And after, if you feel some kind of itching. 2 sinks on this side. Lots of water. 4 carafes and ice in a Yeti mug. Flashlight. More plugs. Umbrellas should it be raining outside. A lot of storage area, and we go into the bathroom. The master suite makes it bigger compared to the regular rooms. See the shower up above? Not a standard drain. The water just goes down onto the beach. Various shampoo, body wash, other items. On this side, see a bucket with soap inside of it. Leaf decoration on the bottom. Large tub, bubble bath, and various soaps, conditioner on this side. Rubber ducky in the center says, "Take me home," and a bit of a pillow towards the back. A large fish and extra space on this side. What a room here, Calala Island, the Master Suite. We'll come back around, get another view of the room. Very, very spacious. Hair dryer, a bin for snacks if you have them, exercise mats, and more. See an ashtray, some containers. Make our way outdoors. May get a little bit windy. There's no key to this. The door just stays open or closed if you wish, but they suggested it stay open for extra breeze. Table outside with 2 chairs, bean bags, new to me for a hotel, and 2 lounge chairs. See the beach outside of the room. This would be the view in the morning. Really cool to be able to wake up and just see a beach. Have an area to wash your feet down below from all the sand, and an outdoor hammock with shade on top, topped by what appears to be a coconut. And there's a tower here where some of the reception, the internet is coming from. Hotspots throughout the island, but the tower is the main source. Birds in the trees, palm trees in the back, and see the roof throughout. Really cool experience here at Calala Island. Very impressed on day 1 after the long journey which was a local plane to an area taking a taxi and then 2 boat rides to get here. An ambitious travel, but I used Hilton Free Night Certificates, and at this time of recording in March 2026, they are offering a cash incentive of $2,510 to celebrate the 10th anniversary of Calala Island. Finally, we have a message in a bottle. It kept blowing away when I tried to just set it with my hand, so we'll unravel it here. Justin, welcome to Calala Island. We wish you a wonderful stay. Turtle on the bottom, signed by Claudia, the GM and team, and a palm tree in the middle, number 6. That is this room, number 6, the master suite. You may not get this room, certainly not guaranteed, but I got lucky, and perhaps the Hilton Diamond status also helped. One last look at the room through the shelves. Justin Vacula here with the Hurdy Gurdy Travel Podcast, signing off from Calala Island.